Hi there. May I ask you a question? Did you learn grammar to learn your mother language when you were a baby? Did you go to school for that? The answer must be no. You can say, as an example, suppose we are in a class where there are many students from different countries, but the English teacher is from Bangladesh. The class is for learning English language. Is the teacher going to teach English using Bangla? If the answer is no, why? Because everyone in the class will not understand Bangla. Then why are we in Bangladesh learning English through Bangla in school? The sad story is after 10 years of studying English, we are unable to express ourselves in English fluently. What if we could learn English to English so we could be fluent in English? For my stories about learning English, I have never studied English in school. I learned English by watching videos, learning to studio, listening to radio. The English changed my whole life. I am from very poor family and English changed my relatives' lives. Now they are earning a lots of money from freelancing job. They learn English from me without help of English grammar books. English opens up for us whole new opportunities worldwide. We can improve our current position and get a better offer from the job field. Look, people are coming from other countries and getting better jobs here in Bangladesh just because of their language skill. If you know English better, you can gather more knowledge about your jobs and you can get what are you doing? You can get a better offer from your company. After thinking about all of this, I decided to build a home-based school where I'm teaching English practically. So as we learn our mother language, my students are not memorizing English vocabulary or English grammar, but they are learning English too fast. They are learning English while they are playing. They do not feel that they are in school. They feel that they are in the home. To get financial freedom, we are learning computer skill like photo editing, graphics design, web development, and marketing. My main focus is to make my students entrepreneurs so they can sell their services anywhere in the world, so they can apply for better jobs. They can do business and go abroad to get better jobs. Our school help them to build their strong portfolio and resume for their future jobs. I'm helping those who don't know English but still want to get a better opportunities, helping them to learn English within a very short time. They can change their lifestyle. Anyone can learn English from my school, even if they do not know anything about English. Anyone can learn English through my online school from around the world. Our teaching method is as how the babies learn their mother language without going to school. Babies learn their mother language without reading grammar or translation. So if you are interested, you can call us on WhatsApp for more information. Thank you so very much for watching my videos.